The labels in Business Center allow you to label objects such as points, lines, and polygons. With points, you'll be able to label the point information such as the northing and easting. With lines, you can label information like the slope or the bearing and distance. And the polygons, you can label stuff like the area. Now, it's all controlled just like dimensions through a label style manager. If I click on the label style manager, you'll see I have 3 tabs for line styles, point styles, and polygon styles. From this manager, you can create new styles and you can modify the styles. Down below is a preview of what you're going to see. So for lines and arcs, I can see what it's going to look like. And in this case, when you select on the object, it changes the information over here. So in this case, it's the line azimuth. In this case, it's the line length. If I want to change the precision or any of the values, you just come over here and I say I want just 2 decimals versus 3. I could tell it not to use the suffix. If you want to add another one, you can only have one type. So right now, line length and line azimuth are both being used. If I wanted to add the slope or another object such as table, a tag, or a mean azimuth or a ground length, I could simply click on that value, and you can see down here you can set it either one above or one below and then the distance along. So if I wanted to have this 1 above or 2 above, you can go in here and click on where you want to offset it and click add, and that will show up there. And now you can change and adjust those properties as needed. It would be similar for point styles. With point styles, you can see here it's showing the point number and an elevation such as the name and the northing, but you can see here all the other information about a point that you can add. So if you wanted to add, maybe the northing and the easting as a value, you could come here and do that. So you would click on northing and you would tell it where you want it to go, to the right side or the left side or center. So if I go to the left and I say 1 above and click add, it's going to show up on that point in that location. So if I pick, northing or easting's already there. So if I go northing to the left, and actually that's on there as well. So it's over here. So you can use your pan key, your wheel mouse, to pan around and zoom in and out to see all these properties. So if I wanted to put a prefix on this for northing, I would type in an N and then tab, and you'll see that the northing is showing up for that value. Polygon styles, similar functionality. Again, you can control the location, the spacing, the type of text, and even down here you can put in the perimeter, the area, large area, and user defined information as well. So you could label that text this way. So again, you set up your styles in the style manager, and then you'll create the labels for points, lines, and polygons.